Hello all, thanks for checking out Skillseed Freedom to Learning YouTube channel. Now let us start Module 1 Electrical Basics in that single phase and polyphase system. Phase. During a complete cycle, an AC goes through various phases of development at a given instant. Starting from 0, it reaches to maximum value of half cycle and again to 0. Then rise to reverse direction also, that means positive half cycle and negative half cycle waveforms. In electric or electronic system, phase is definition of the position of point in time instant on a waveform cycle. A complete cycle is defined as 360 degrees of phase. Phase can also be an expression of relative displacement between or among waves having the same frequency. Phase difference, also called phase angle in degrees, is conventionally defined as number greater than 180 degree and less than or equal to plus 180 degree, means negative 180 degree or positive 180 degree, the half cycle of that 360 degree. Leading phase refers to a wave that occurs ahead of another wave of the same frequency. Lagging phase refers to a wave that occurs behind another wave of the same frequency. When two signals differ in phase by minus 90 degree or plus 90 degree, then they said to be in phase quadrature. When two waves differ in phase by 180 degree, means minus 180 degree is technically the same as positive 180 degree. Those waves are said to be in phase opposition. The time interval for 1 degree of phase is inversely proportional to the frequency if the frequency of signal in Hertz is given by f, which is represented by f, frequency in Hertz, then the time t degree in seconds corresponding to 1 degree of phase. Next is general overview of single phase and three phase AC system. Both single phase and three phase power system refer to units using alternating current in electric power. With AC power, the flow of current is constantly alternating direction. The primary difference between single phase and three phase AC power is constancy of delivery, means the energy consistency. Now we can see some basic definition. Alternating current AC. It is the current in which magnitude and direction vary proportionally. Waveform in AC is in sine wave nature. Next definition is cycle. One complete set of change in value and direction of alternating quantities of current is called a cycle. Cycle or waveform in degrees or in radian. Periodic time. The periodic time is the time to complete one cycle. T time in seconds. Frequency. The number of cycle completed in per second is known as frequency. Its formula is F is equal to 1 upon T in Hertz. Its unit is Hertz. Now we will move on single phase. In single phase system there is only one coil which rotates in the magnetic field and the voltage generated in the coil of an AC. A single phase AC power system peaks in voltage at 90 degree and 270 degree with a complete cycle at 360 degree. With the peak and dip in voltage, power is not delivered at a constant rate. In a single phase system, there is one neutral wire and one power wire with current flowing between them. The cyclical changes in magnitude and direction usually change flow in current and voltage about 60 times per second depending on the particular needs of system. Next is polyphase. In this system, two phases are known as polyphase, 90 degree electrically apart from each other. Next is three phase. In three phase system, there are three power wires or coils, each degree electrically apart with each other, which is 120 degree apart from each other. Delta and star are two types of circuits used to maintain equal load across a three phase system, each resulting in different wire configuration. In the delta configuration, No neutral wire is connected. The star configuration uses both a neutral and ground wire. All three phases of power have entered the cycle by 120 degree, means the phase difference is 120 degree. By the time a complete cycle of 360 degree has completed, three phases of power have each peak in voltage twice. With a three-phase power supply, a steady stream of power is delivered at a constant rate, making it possible to carry more load. In three-phase, simply there are three waveforms. If you see the diagram, one is start from zero, another one start from lead, and another one is start from lag. The concept of these three phases is zero phase, positive phase, and negative phase in technical language. We will posting new audio videos on electrical engineering courses and workshops online and personal weekly. Please subscribe for more on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Thanks and happy learning Skillseed.